Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Alright guys, so we only starting with one account of My Lead Gen Secrets. Most people that have My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, around 7 or 10, but we're only using one account because you guys don't know if it works yet. You want to try it out, see how it goes, and get you some sales. And I want to show you the type of results I'm getting just doing the bare minimum, guys. This is simple. This is the easiest way to make money online. So anyway, guys, you interested in following along, links are in the description. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business, and that's because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions. It means you get paid every single month off of one sale. All right, guys, but they stay in. It's $20 to $100 commission, so you can get $120 off of each sale every month. All right, guys, that's why a sale from this system is so much more valuable. You're not just getting one sale, you're getting multiple sales each month. All right, guys, you get people in the system. All right, so without further ado, let's look at our results here. I'm gonna refresh the page. All right, guys, look like I did not get a sale yesterday. Not a big deal, not a big deal. We'll keep it moving, guys. Keep it moving. We're making money with it. We still got 5,000 in the bank because of it. Doing this little simple thing, we still got that much money in the bank. So it's not a big deal. So anyway, guys, this is what we're gonna do here. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this. First, we need to get your affiliate link. That's the first thing we need to do. So the first thing you want to do, if you're on my video, you'll see my descriptions here. You'll click open the description. You'll see step 1 and step 2. All right, guys. You want to click on step 1 and $25 on one business. That's going to take you to this page here. This page here just practically explains what I just said. You can make $20 to $100 monthly commissions. That means you can make up to $120 off of each person, guys. All right. So you want to click on that. You click on yes, I want in, right? Once you decide you want to try it out, and it'll take you to this page where you put in all your information and valuable information here. And you also want to click on this, and I'm going to explain why in a second. And once you do that, you'll just complete your order and be done, right? So let's explain this right here. This is HBA Premium. This is teaching you how to get sales off of this in a method of ways, a bunch of ways, ads and whatever and whatnot, right? All right, so we gonna start with getting this, and the reason why you want to get this is simply because you have to own the product to get commissions for it, guys. That means that if you do not click this and you come through and get the $25 without this, right? And then you get somebody in the system. You get somebody in the system, they decide they want this as well. So, and once they pay, you will get $20 out of the $25 here, guys, but you would not get $100 out of the $125. All right, guys. So once you got 2 people in the system, you're making money, and it's fantastic. So once you do that, you want to click on this link here. What? Wait, no. So once you do that, guys, you'll log on to a screen that looks something like this, and put in your information. They'll let you make your account or whatever. And you'll get to this page here. And once you get to this page here, you want to click on the affiliate zone. I'm already under it. All right, I'm already under the affiliate zone. It's right here. Just click on that. They'll take you to this page here, and you just scroll down until you see the sign up for the affiliate program here. It'll take you to this page here. Very basic information to put in there, guys. And once you do that, you log into SoundCard. It's gonna look like this. All right, guys, and you're done. You got your links. This is the link you want to use here. This is the one I've been using anyway. All-in-one $25 business. Blah blah blah. All right, guys. Now, once you do that, you want to come down here, and we're gonna go to step 2, My Lead Gen Secrets. All right. You want to click on that. That's gonna take you to this page here. Once you're on this page, you want to you want to log in. But first off, you want to speak up. I want to tell you guys what this exactly is. My lead gen secrets is about giving you 100 single leads every single day. You get leads every single day, guys, that you can mail once per day. All right, you can't flood them with mail, but you can mail them once per day. All right, guys, and these people are interested in making money, which is perfect for the product that we're promoting. All right, so we're just gonna log in here like this. Very, very simple. And once you do that, we're gonna click on mailing system here, and I'm gonna let you use, I'm gonna just pick an email for you guys. All right, so I'm gonna use one of my emails here. We're just gonna go down and look at an email. We'll go with this one. 80% recurring commission, a gift that keeps on giving. All right, so very simple email here. See how short it is. This is the whole email, guys. You just copy this. You can pause it if you want to. Pause the video and copy it. That's a free email for you guys. All right, so we're gonna hit perfect timing. That's gonna make sure that they get the email around the time they check it. So there's a very big interest in checking out the email itself, and you want to make sure to preview it and make sure your link works. Take them to the right place, and it absolutely does, guys. So it works. So we're gonna send the email just like that, and we are done, guys. All right, we are done, and that's all it takes. So anyway, guys, if you're interested in following along, like I stated before, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Only 80% of you will subscribe. Get subscribing. Let's get these numbers up, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.